Welcome to one of the biggest t-shirt printing factories in Europe. We're in Albany on the Isle of Wight, and today we're going to take a tour of this t-shirt printing factory, show you how print on demand works, and what we do at T-Mill to make it sustainable. In the past, products were produced speculatively. That means you'd have to buy a whole load of stock and just hope that it's sold. So a lot of brands ended up as dead stock shoved behind someone's sofa. Print on demand is different. You can design all your products and put them online as data. So every time someone places an order, it'll be printed in seconds and shipped to your customer, and you'll get all the profit. It's a really exciting opportunity because it means that normal people can start a brand with no startup investment, no cost, and using just their phone. Print on demand is more efficient because there's no overproduction, there's no waste. 72% of people are actively buying more sustainable products now than they did in 2017. I find that stat so reassuring because it means that things are changing and now you can be part of that change. Big business is slow to respond to this new demand, so there's an opportunity for small, agile startups to build a business here. At T-Mill, we go beyond print on demand to bring you products that are made sustainably from the start. We only use natural materials like organic cotton. All of our factories like this one are powered by renewable energy, and we're a carbon neutral company. And here's the real game changer. Everything we make is designed from the start to be sent back and remade into new products at the end of its life. We've developed lots of our own technology to allow us to print things sustainably, quickly, and in high quality. Let's take a look at how a t-shirt is printed. These printers work just like your printers at home, printing line by line and mixing all the colors in real time so there's no waste and no sink. From the time that a customer places an order to the time that it's printed and shipped out to them is only a couple of minutes. So this item is being printed now, but it didn't even exist 2 minutes ago. Now the t-shirt's been printed, it gets placed onto one of these totes. That's another really exciting part of our tech. New concepts require new technologies. So we've built these robots that help us move things around the factory so our team don't have to do any heavy lifting. What they need comes to them. This way we create efficiencies that help us save 30% of the cost of packing and shipping. Then we can take that money and invest it in things like this sustainable plant-based packaging. So the robots bring the orders all the way down to the packing stations where they're packed and shipped out to your customers. One of the most important things to us as a business is accessibility. If we want to change how things are made, we have to allow people access to those new systems. So we've built all of this tech, and now we're sharing it with you so that you can build your business sustainably.